Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You already know I already got something new for y'all. So I got two different products. I got the first one right here is Armor All cleaning wipes. Now my sister bought this because it was cheap, and I was like, yo, if you're gonna, why you spend your money on something like this when you could have get something like this? Now I'm in the Lexus RX 350 and it's leather seats, just like my Avalon. My Avalon is also leather seats. Now, you know, sometimes when you eat in the car or whatever, whatever occasion, you know, whatever you do, sometimes you have a little stain here, stain there, eating something on the run, you know, it could be like chicken or whatever, grease, you have the residue grease on your hands, whatever. So I guess you just bought this just to have this, just to, you could just pull out a little wipe and just wipe the surface and clean the surface. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the Armor All cleaning right here, it said powerful cleaning for auto surface stain removing formula. Now, it'll get the job done, you know, on minor. And at the back, it said, tested safe for auto surface, great for car, dash, filing, fabric, carpet, consoles, and more. Won't dry out, damage, or fade, auto service. And it said, lint-free wipes, stay moist. That's what they say. That's what it says. You feel me? That's what it says. So, she bought this. I don't even know how much money she bought this for, but it is what it is. You feel me? Now this right here, as I said, it's leather interior. Now right here I have a Chemical Guy. Chemical Guy basically said cleans. I know you guys can see because the glare, the sun and everything. Let me read it out to you. It said cleans, restore, protects, restore supple feel, leather scent, dry to the touch, cleans and maintain leather, remove dirt, dust, and fingerprints. It said condition, protects, leather, quick detailer. So I told her she should just get another bottle of this instead of the wipes, because at the same time, this get the job done even more. And I see this works right in front of my eyes. I wish I could show you guys a little example what I'm talking about. This don't only cleans, but it actually bring back out the color of the leather. That one don't. That one only cleans only, and it don't really bring back out the leather. Man, it's two different products, but I only recommend people to use, once you have leather, I recommend the people to go for the Chemical Guy. This stuff right here. Like, on a serious note, I'd rather go for this, because at the same time you get more, you will end up getting more out of this to protect your vehicle than the cleaning wipes. Now they do have the Armor All one that protects and from the UV rays and everything to bring out that color that you want, that real black, wet looking type, but it fades off, it fade away like less than a week or so. I'll give it maybe a week, sometime less. Here in Florida, it gets really hot, and the Armor All don't last. It fade away. This right here hold up the work, and as I said, it give you the supple feel on your seats, sprayed on your leather seats. You use a microfiber cloth, wipe it, you will have that leather scent. One, number two, it give you that supple feel. Three, it cleans it and it restores. It really does restore. Like, it brings back out that newly color that you're looking for. So I recommend the Chemical Guy before I recommend the Armor All cleaning wipes. Now, as I said, there's nothing wrong with the cleaning wipes. You know, if you have some residue in between, you know, maybe the cup holders, the consoles, maybe somewhere down here or something like that, you know, you could just use it and wipe. But as I said, the Chemical Guy will work even better. because it will bring out, I don't know, let me show you guys a little example. I don't know if my camera is going to pick it up. All right, so here we go. I'm going to wipe. This is, as I said, this is only cleaning. This is not going to bring back out the color. I had already used the chemical guy right here on this side. No, you guys can't see it due to the camera quality and the glare. This is only going to clean. You feel me? This only cleans. See, right now it's wet. When it dry, it's basically going to, when it dries up, it's going to end up being the same color. It's not going to give you that color that you basically looking for. It's only for cleaning. It's not for, you know, to give you that bright out interior look type. It's not gonna do that. It's not gonna do that for you. Say like if I wipe right here, I'm gonna show you guys the difference. I'm wipe right here because this is only the cleaning. This is only the clean. You know, it does say that it removes stains. You can see it. You know, see the dirt. Look at that. You see that? When that dry, it's not going to look as bright as how it's looking. It's only looking like that because it's wet for right now. Now, here, back here on the armrest, let's spray it down. Let me show you guys the difference. I didn't even need to spray that much because I don't even have that much in here. Anyways, I don't. Microfiber cloth. I know I'm not going to be able to show you guys the stain or whatever residue that's on this armrest. I'm not going to be able to show you the, you know, the stains or whatever it's going to remove because this is also black. So you're not going to see. And you're not going to really see the difference because it's black. But this do remove, it remove the dirt. The feel is different. You can feel a supple feel. The feel is different. It's not like a, I can't even explain it, but you do feel a supple feel. Here, over here, haven't even dry yet. On the other side. But as I said, I'd rather go for the chemical guy due to the fact it cleans, and not only cleans, it restores and it protects from the sun, you know, the UV rays, all that, and remove dirt, dust, all that, fingerprints. It removes everything. And it really works because I used it in my other car, and oh my goodness. See the advanced UV ray protection, leather from cracking. This one basically have more. Up to now, the wipes haven't even dry out yet. They haven't even dry yet for the wipes. But the chemical guy basically have more benefits. That's all I have to say. I have more benefits. Why not get something that have more benefits than only do one job? This one job is only to clean. This one not only clean, but it do restores and it protects from the UV ray from the sun. So that's what I'm trying to, you know, example I'm trying to push here. I'm sorry that I couldn't really show you guys like the difference really. Over here it's still wet. I know my fingerprint's right there, but it's still wet. But this one, it protects the leather from the sun, and you could just use it all on the dash, on the steering wheel, on the dash, and also on your seat. No matter where, you could use it. It cleans it. Unlike it cleans and it protects, and I said it restore. Everything is mostly leather in the vehicle. But yeah, guys, that's all I want to share with you guys. I'd rather go for the chemical guy, leather quick detailer, good stuff, before I go for just the cleaning wipes of the Armor All. But this is not going to leave no shiny, aftermath, after look. You're not going to get that from this. This is only cleaning. This is not going to leave you that glossy look, which this one will just get the job done altogether. You feel me? Yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate the love and support. Peace. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless.
You grind me, you squeeze me.